Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. In this video, I'll be focusing on Woo Network, which is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that is geared towards institutional investors. However, it does also cater to retail traders and investors alike. And Woo Network offers the best in-class deep liquidity, order execution, and it also offers its users zero trading fees if you are staking the Woo Network token. So in this video, I'll be elaborating on everything that Woo Network offers its users and why I think it is the best upcoming cryptocurrency exchange, as well as my price prediction for the Woo token for the upcoming year of 2022. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me to the very end of this video. And if you're not already subscribed to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos, and let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap first. We can see we have a $2.39 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is currently trading for $48,500. Ethereum is trading for $4,093. So looking at Woo Network is currently trading for 75 cents with a market cap rank of 149, putting that at a $659 million market cap. At this exact moment in time, there are 868 million Woo Network tokens in circulation out of the total supply of 2.9 billion. We can go ahead and see that the all-time high of Woo Network is $1.78. So it's down 57% from its all-time high, which was about 1 month ago. And the all-time low was last January, was trading at 2 cents. So the exchanges where Woo Network is listed on, it is listed on a lot of exchanges right now. You can get it on Uniswap or PancakeSwap if you want to use a decentralized exchange, or you can use stuff like Huobi, Bybit, MEXC. It's on KuCoin as well. So there are a lot of places to trade Woo Network token. But if you want to use a decentralized exchange with very low fees, I would say to check out PancakeSwap. Now, before we head on over to the Woo website, let's take a look at what CoinGecko has to say about Woo. We can see that Woo Network is a deep liquidity network connecting traders, exchanges, institutions, and DeFi platforms with democratized access to the best-in-class liquidity and trading execution at lower or zero cost. Woo token is used in the network's centralized finance and decentralized finance products for staking and fee discounts, right? So that's the main token use case. Just like all the other exchange tokens, it gives the exchange users perks and benefits. So now let's head on over to the Woo Network website, which is woo.org. And we can see right here, this is the ultimate trading platform. This is the Woo centralized exchange, and it is called WooX. And as you can see, you can choose a template to set it up on. You can use a standard, advanced, or you can make your own template. I will leave this link down in the description below. However, because of my jurisdiction, I'm not actually able to create an account at WooX, but they do also have a decentralized exchange. I'll be getting into that in just a little bit of time. So you might be thinking right now, what makes Woo Network so special? Why is it so good? Well, it was made for big players, for whales, for hedge funds, for big institutions, right? So they can have very low slippage trading. We can see this is the only platform to offer zero fees along with deep liquidity. WooX is one of the most liquid crypto exchanges in the world, providing traders with superior order execution at zero or the lowest cost fee structure. We can get an example right here. Let's say we wanted to trade Bitcoin and we wanted to trade $1 million of Bitcoin. So if we were going to be trading $1 million of Bitcoin, we can go ahead and see that on WooX, we would get 20.7 BTC, whereas the other top exchanges, we would be getting 20.69. So just by using the WooX exchange, if you were to place an order for $1 million of Bitcoin, you would actually get $654 extra of Bitcoin from the reduced slippage on WooX, and you would save about $1,300 on trading fees alone. All right, so that's about $2,000 right there. And this does add up, obviously, because listen, these big institutions, they're making $1 million trades several times every single day. So this is why WooX is so attractive towards institutional big investors and traders. We can also see some more features. We talked about the resizable widgets, how it's fully customizable. You can make the trading screen however you do prefer. which is awesome. And then some more features here. It has integrated orders for spot and margin. So you can set take profit, stop loss, limit orders, and more advanced order types for spot and margin in one unified order interface with up to 5x leverage. It has very deep liquidity and order book depth as well. Also the customizable workspaces, the zero fee trading. This is important. So if you are staking 1,800 WOO tokens on WooX, you actually unlock zero maker and zero taker spot trading fees. All right, so only 1,800 WOO tokens. Right now they are 75 cents. So that's about $1,300. And if you stake that on WooX, you can actually get zero trading fees if you're trading spot, which is huge because it can really add up over time. And then over here, you can see coming soon, they're going to be adding futures trading with leverage as well as social trading, which is basically copy trading, right? So if I take a trade with social trading, you'll be able to see my trade and copy it exactly. So that is an awesome feature that is definitely going to be utilized very much so on WooX. So definitely be looking out for when that does actually go live. And then also their mobile app, right now it's available on the App Store, coming soon to Google Play, right? Of course, everybody does a lot of trading on their phone nowadays, myself included. So you need that mobile application for an exchange. So who's behind Woo? Well, Kronos Research. We can see that Woo Network was incubated by Kronos Research, a multi-strategy trading firm averaging around $5 to $10 billion of daily trading volume on cryptocurrency exchanges. All right, so that is no small amount of money. Let's talk about the team behind Woo Network. So we just talked about how it was incubated by Kronos Research, which does a lot of trading every single day. And the leadership team features Kronos Research co-founders Jack and Mark, who have turned a two-man team in 2018 into a global quantitative trading powerhouse with more than 100 employees across 12 cities. So Kronos Research they're in the top 10 trading volume for exchanges such as FTX, which is one of the biggest exchanges in the entire world. So they have a lot of experience trading a lot of capital, and they've now developed Woo, which is really taking the best ideas from all exchanges and putting it into one. And this is the product here. We can also see that the team has experience with huge firms such as Citadel. Citadel is the company really behind Robinhood, which also offers zero fee trading. And then Boston Consulting Group, Citibank, Deloitte, HSBC, huge banking institutions, financial institutions, Carnegie Mellon University, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, UC Berkeley as well. The list really does go on and on with where the team comes from. And trusted by the best, these are the investors. 3 Hours Capital, shout out to Suzu, Crypto.com Capital, DeFi Capital. These are all the investors right here. Very big backers that have proven to invest in successful projects in the past as well. So this is definitely a major project, and it's a good idea to keep this on your radar. And other than WooX, there is also WooFi. This is their decentralized exchange. As you can see, smart liquidity, max efficiency. Right now you can connect on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can swap and you can also stake Woo token here. And you can see the last 7 days APR is a 15% return on staking. And at this moment in time, there's 4,037,396 Woo tokens staked on WooFi. So let's talk about the token utility. What is the point of the Woo token? Well, we already discussed how if you stake 1,800 of them on WooX, well, then you're actually going to get zero trading fees, maker and taker, when trading spot. We can read right here in the documents of Woo Network. Woo token is a utility token deeply embedded within Woo Network's CeFi and DeFi products and services with various staking, discount yield, and governance utilities. Currently, 50% of revenue generated across Woo Network services contribute to the monthly buyback and burn through the purchasing of Woo tokens off the secondary market to remove them permanently from the circulating supply. So they do a buyback and burn, which is very similar to what Binance Coin does, for example, also things like PancakeSwap. So they're using 50% of all revenue generated across all of Woo Network to go and buy tokens off of the open market, and then they burn them, completely erasing them from supply, which, as you can see here, the max supply started off as 3 billion, and now it's already down to 2.99 billion, right? And this is just going to go until the end of time. So currently, the Woo token utility is for staking. So Woo tokens can be staked to reduce trading fees, unlock zero fee trading on WooX, and increase referral rebates. Trading institutions generating large volumes on WooX can stake Woo tokens based on their volume and trading requirements to receive increased API trading rate, limits, and fee reductions. And you can also earn yield. So a portion of tokens received from Woo Ventures early stage product investments will be distributed to Woo token stakers on WooX. X. All right, so that's pretty much airdrops. And then we can see right here, DeFi liquidity provision and yield farming with Woo. Woo tokens are embedded within prominent decentralized exchanges on various chains such as Bancor, SushiSwap, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, and MDEX. All right, and borrowing and lending with Woo as well. So Woo tokens can be used as collateral for borrowing and lending on Sushi, Kashi, Rari Capital, Kind Finance, and Unit Protocol. All right, so lending and borrowing aspects embedded within Woo Network's token utility. And then we can also see their future plans for the Woo token utility. We talked about the social trading, the copy trading. Woo stakers can gain access to social trading features on WooX to emulate highly professional trading strategies from top performing traders. Also access and discounts for institutional yield strategies. Users staking Woo tokens benefit from reduced capital requirements, management, and performance fees for institutional grade asset management services, such as Kronos Research's asset management services that generate stellar yields regardless of market conditions, and also for governance as well. Here we can see the amount of Woo tokens they've burned over the past months over here in 2021, as well as all the token bridges through all the various different blockchain networks out there. So obviously Woo Network is no small time player in the cryptocurrency exchange game. We can see, looking at the CoinGecko centralized exchange market cap list, Woo Network is down here behind quite a few. And as you can see, it's ranked number 149 in market cap with a $674 million market cap. BNB appeared at a $90 billion market cap. And just behind them is CROcrypto.com at a $14.2 billion market cap. So I'll be getting into my price prediction, but first, let's go over the charts and take a look at Woo Network. So taking a look at Woo Network on the daily, we can see that it had a massive run up throughout the fall, and it actually peaked in mid-November. It was up 296%. And now from that peak, the all-time high at about $1.80, it is currently down 57%, as we discussed at the start of the video. So let's go ahead and measure the retracement, and we can see that this did retrace all the way back down to the 88.6% retracement. All right, so it had a massive run up, really nice retracement back down to the beginning consolidation area. This is the KuCoin exchange chart. So to me, this does actually look bottomed out right now at this moment in time. The market just came off a huge flash crash liquidation event at the start of December. As you can see right here with this drop, it dropped at about 44% in a matter of 4 days, right? And now we've been basing after that period of very high volatility. And if I draw a line on the chart, we can see that it used this previous resistance over here when it was first consolidating on KuCoin as now support. All right, so to me, I believe that Woo Network has actually gone ahead and bottomed out here in the charts. If we see any more dips below 70 cents, I would say not financial advice. Nothing in this video is financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but I would look to add Woo Network spot. This is one of those things where you kind of want to build a decent sized bag of it and then let it go and do its thing as the bull market does actually progress. So my analysis is very simple, right? We retraced all the way back down here to the previous resistance. Now we're using it as support from the very beginning of its trading on KuCoin. So now that it's clear that we're at a critical support level on Woo, let's talk about where this can go in the relative short term. So you can see we do have this resistance area up over here at $1.37. I would expect this to be a decent profit target in the short term for a trade, and that's 80% away from current price. But what we can do now is we can pull a fib extension. We can get some fib extension levels on the chart now that we have this nice retracement here. And we can see that the 0.27 retracement after the all-time high is already at $2.13. The 0.618 is at $2.55. And then the 1.618 is up here, $3.76. 2.618 about $5, and then it really goes all the way up to the 6.618, which is at about $9.81, which I do think is definitely attainable for Woo going forward in 2022. Don't expect that to happen tomorrow where you see this trading at something like $10, but I do think with where this market is headed overall, the expected capital expected to flow into the whole entire cryptocurrency market, I think that with what the products that Woo Network is offering, it can definitely capture a lot of that capital inflow, especially into the exchange token space. With that being said, we can go ahead and use the coin perspective to compare market caps of some other top exchange tokens. So theoretically speaking, if Woo was to hit BNB's current market cap at 90.9 billion, that would be 134x from current price, making the price of one Woo token $104. All right, who knows what may happen in the future, in years down the line. For 2022, I would not count on this happening at all. And then we have Crypto.com up here, which is a $14.2 billion market cap. And if Woo Network were to match Crypto.com's current market cap, it would put it at a 20x at $16.38. I would say that that's the high end of my price prediction for 2022. It can 20x to about $16. And then after that, we do have OKB, which is the OKX exchange token, at an $8.3 billion market cap. And that's an 11x from current price at about $9.57. So my conservative price prediction for Woo in 2022 is going to be between OKX, OKB token, and FTX, FTT, which currently has a $5.5 billion market cap. And if Woo was to hit FTX's market cap, it would put it at a 710% gain, so just over an 8x at $6.29. So my conservative price prediction for Woo Network in 2022 is between $6 and $10, which is still a very decent gain from its current price, which is 75 cents. So Woo Network is a full suite trading platform geared towards institutional investors mainly with huge capital, but retail investors alike. It offers the best in-class liquidity, order execution, and zero trading fees if you are staking at least 1,800 Woo Network tokens. I do think that Woo Network has a lot of potential going forward, and I expect it to be one of the main exchanges and exchange tokens in the market. If you agree with me, I would love to hear from you. If you disagree, I would like to hear from you as well. So drop a comment down below. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like. And if you're not already subscribed to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.